Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I will create the letter logo design. So let's start the video. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. And write letter VA, and here I choose the font Trajan Pro. Let's draw an ellipse and hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Press Ctrl C to copy this shape and press Ctrl F to paste in front, then hold Shift and Alt key to make it small. Hold Alt key to delete from the shape by using the Shaper tool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video.